Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one important question, that is difference between. Difference between is one common question which is asked in your board exam. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between calcination and roasting. This is one important question. Already we have uploaded many videos of such type, that difference between different things. I'll share the link of that playlist in the description box. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between calcination and roasting. So here the first difference is, in calcination the ores are heated in limited supply of air, while in roasting the ores are heated in sufficient or excess supply of air. Now the second point, calcination is used for carbonate ores and roasting is used for sulfide ores. We know there are different ores for different metals from which the pure metal is extracted. So calcination is used for carbonate ores, roasting is used for sulfide ores. In calcination, along with the metal oxide, carbon dioxide gas is formed, while in roasting, along with the metal oxide, sulfur dioxide gas is formed. Now in calcination, why carbon dioxide is formed? Because carbonate ores are heated. While in roasting, why sulfur dioxide is formed? Because it is used for sulfide ores. Now one example we can give for this. For extraction of zinc from zinc carbonate, we use calcination method. While for extraction of zinc from zinc blende, that is the sulfide ore of zinc, we use roasting method. So hope the difference between calcination and roasting is quite clear to you. The summary of all these points is given at the end of this video. You can go through those points. So my dear viewers, by this time, I am sure that you have subscribed our channel to get the updates of such important, useful and helpful videos. And don't forget to share such important videos among your friends. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.